Good morning, everybody. So, this is officially the Payne homestead, and this is our front garden. And right now, what we're looking at is our tomatoes up at the front. These are big boys, and let me tell you, we have got some big boys on these plants. And then right behind there, if you can look right here, these are green beans. And I just picked a mess this morning that I'm going to take care of this afternoon and get those prepped and ready to be canned. Right behind that is our okra. And that row right there has just started producing really decent sized, not big, deep, but decent sized okra that I'm going to get canned in the next day or two. Right now they'll be okay in a mason jar of water in the fridge. And they'll last there about 3 to 5 days until I can get those canned and pickled. And then right behind that is our corn, and we have 2 varieties. And the variety right on the other side is almost ready for harvest. And Daddy planted that before, let me back up there a minute. He planted that after he planted the first row, which is really tall. That corn back there is not quite ready to pull. But this shorter row right here, let me tell you, she is loaded up and ready to go. So we've got our 3 different kinds of tomatoes right here on this front row. And let me show you what I'm talking about. When I say big boys, I'm going to walk over here. Because my mom would tell me that this one right here, that baby's ready for the fry. A little bit of salt and pepper, slice that baby up, some cornmeal, throw her ready into the iron skillet for frying. So I went to the end of the front row. Now we got more tomatoes here. Look at this. They are loaded up. So they're going to be turning any day. We're going to start seeing some orange tomatoes. This one is so heavy. She's vining out. So here's our zucchini. And as you can tell, we pretty much harvested the first harvest of zucchini. We've got maybe 3 or 4 blooms on each plant that's ready to pick. There's one I just missed right there. I'll leave that for Dad. He'll come back here and he'll grab that one. So I walked through here this morning because I went ahead and prepped what I had at the house that I picked yesterday and got that ready to make our applesauce. So right now we have 4 plants, and these 4 plants, or 5 rather, they are killing it when it comes to production. So I was going to get some of this ready for you to show you about the applesauce I make from the zucchini last night, but I had to take care of my herb garden, which was on the deck, so I could get my first harvest off that and get that all prepped and ready for a second harvest in the fall. Now I'm going to walk back to the house, cool down for a moment, drink some water, and get ready to go. I'll see you right back here.